In this video, we are going to look on how to make Rednote account. Open up the Rednote app, tap on Login, enter your mobile phone number. Once you type in your number, tap on Login and then tap on Agreed and Continued. You will get a one-time password on your SMS. Type in the code here and tap on Login. Select your gender and your age. Now, select any 4 topics that interests you. You can use the help of photos which may represent certain topics as the language is different for now. Once you select your interests, tap on Start Exploring. And now you have successfully created your Rednote account. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.